In this video, we will install the canvas top for the Manual Bimini 2.0. To begin, ensure that the frame rails are in their fold down position. Guide the navigation light through the navigation light opening in the canvas. Zip the forward and middle rail sleeves onto the forward and middle frame rails. Raise the frame into an upright position and lock the rear frame rail support arms into place. Zip the rear frame sleeves onto the rear frame rail. Secure the snaps at each of the corners of the Bimini frame. Then lock the forward support arms into their full open position. To begin, unlock the forward support arms. To release tension from the canvas, unzip the forward retaining sleeve from the forward frame rail. For the middle frame rail and the rear frame rail, disconnect the securing snaps at the four corners of the frame rails. Support the canvas top as it can drop suddenly. Release the rear spring-loaded support arms and lower the rear frame to its full down position. Decouple the snaps at the rear support arms if you haven't already done so. Pass the navigation light through the navigation light opening. The canvas top is now removed and can be stowed for later use.